What's up, guys? The Busy Bees are here. We actually have somebody that was an old member. We have Junior B is here now again.
Junior's back!
Now we are gonna be popping these fireworks.
All right, without further ado, let's go.
Yeah.
We got 2 fountains going. Junior, go ahead and light yours, Junior. Let's go, John. Let's go. John. Whoa. Whoa. So Junior's got that. John's got this thing going on. Let's see.
He already popped it.
Yeah, that's good. There we go. And then John's got, sparkler going on. It's New Year's 2026. We're popping fireworks. Johnny's got the sprinkler. Sparkler. I keep saying sprinkler. I don't know why. Whoa. That's epic.
Okay, and then run back.
That's epic. John, go! Dude, that was epic. That was epic. Look at this.
Get back.
What's going to happen? Whoa. What?
Guys, I feel like we just got our second flying one because we did one earlier. But I feel like this one went crazier this time because that one really didn't fly.
Yeah.
Try this one, John. Come here.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, here we go.
I think we got another one, right?
You're good. Get back. Get your head back.
Keep it on there. Here we go. It was a dud. Anyway, Happy New Year 2026.
John.
We'll see you in the next one.